how to fix Rocket League lag on PC, easy and quick. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix it. First, click here and then close all the applications that you don't need, like OBS, and click exit. And after that, open Task Manager. Click right click here if you want to open it and click Task Manager. Now go to details, scroll down, scroll until you find Rocket League, and let's say that this is Rocket League. Just click on it, right click and click set priority and click high, and then click change priority, and that's it. I don't mean to do it to NordVPN, I mean you need to find Rocket League and then click on it, right click, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.